Hello everyone, in my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can make a video call in your device Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So if in this device Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra you want to make a video call or you want to do the video call to someone, you can easily do it just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.